Hey, don't it feel good to have extra money laying around in your pocket? Do you ever wonder and ask yourself, I got all this extra money, should I pay off the debt or should I invest it? Which one is better? If you ever had this thought, then this video is for you. What's going on? Ray Woods here, channel Real Estate with Ray, where I get my education on real estate investing and also financial coaching to those who are high-figure income earners and want to structure themselves to properly invest for their future. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit a like. If this video is going to give you value, make sure you comment down below. Let's get into it. So I want you to just imagine right now, you got an extra $3,000 to $4,000 right now in your pocket or in your bank account. And you're going to ask yourself, would it be better to just pay off my credit card? Or is it going to be better investing in like the S&P 500 or some type of stock or something? There are three things that I'm going to give to you that's going to help you kind of determine what you should do with that extra money in your pocket. Ask yourself, what is your risk tolerance? If you are conservative, then it might be better if you take the money and you put it towards paying down your debt. Because if you want to get to the point where you're living debt-free, as Dave Ramsey would like to say, then you want to make sure those high interest rates are not hurting you like that. And if you are somebody that is a risk taker and you don't mind the market up and down, the shift, whether it be stocks, mutual funds, real estate, whatever, then it might be opportunity for you to start investing into some hard assets like that, or some digital assets like crypto, or buying into some stocks or something like that. Another thing to look at is the interest rate on your debt. After you kind of established your risk factor, kind of look at the interest rate on your debt. And most credit cards are going to sit anywhere near the 20% range. It is pretty hard to beat that when you're investing. It's not too many investments out there that's going to give you a 20%, 30%, 40% return, so you can beat the amount that you're paying for interest. So you might want to use that in consideration. If it was me, it would probably be better to go ahead and pay down the debt first, so the debt is not hurting you. That way you can actually increase some of your cash flow in your finances, so then you can take extra money and start putting it towards investment later. Now, cash flow and emergency savings. They always tell the statistics is certain percentage don't have $500 or something or $1,000 to basically take care of any emergency needs. And it's a sad statistic, but it's true. And so, do you want to build more cash flow or do you have emergency savings? And mind you, cash flow doesn't necessarily have to be from an investment. You can actually increase your cash flow or increase the net profit that you're getting in your household by maneuvering around your finances. If you looked at a previous video, and I'll put the card up here somewhere, if you looked at the previous video where I said how to structure yourself before start investing is managing your money properly. And if you're able to manage your money properly, then it's best to do that first, where you can create that cash flow, and building an emergency savings is easier. It is tricky when it comes to deciding whether or not you should start investing first or you should pay off debt first. And it's always a factor of what type of risk can you handle and how are you structured in the household. If you do have a concern or any questions, just go ahead and let me know in the comments. If you are looking for somebody that's going to help you one-on-one, give you direct coaching and walk your hand through setting up your financial foundation, getting you structured as a high income earner so you can start investing properly, then my link will also be in the description below. Book that free session with me. Let's talk about how we can get you on the right path to building wealth. And until my next video, I'll see you on the other side.